Hello, my friend. Welcome to my English podcast. This is a very easy English podcast for beginners. Today we talk about a film. The film is called The Lion King. It is a cartoon from the United States. The film is from 1994. The Lion King is a family cartoon. The story is about lions and other animals. It is about a young lion called Simba. He must become a king. The main character is Simba. He is a small lion. His father is Mufasa. He is the king of all animals. Simba will be the next king. Simba has an uncle. His name is Scar. Scar is not kind. He wants to be the king. He makes a bad plan. One day, Scar tricks Simba. Simba goes to a dangerous place. Many hyenas attack him. Mufasa saves his son. But then Scar kills Mufasa. Simba thinks it is his fault. He is very sad and afraid. He runs away from home. He meets two new friends. Their names are Timon and Pumbaa. They live in the forest. They teach Simba, Hakuna Matata, no problems. Many years pass. Simba is an adult lion. His old friend Nala finds him. She says, Scar is a bad king. The land is dying. Come home. At first, Simba is afraid. But then he remembers his father. He understands, he must be brave. He goes back to Pride Rock. He fights with Scar. Scar loses. Simba becomes the new king. The land becomes green again. All animals are happy. Simba has a new family. The circle of life continues. I like this film because it is beautiful and deep. The music is very good. The story is about family, fear, and courage. It is sad sometimes, but mostly happy. Today we learned some words. Lion, king, father, son, friend, animal, home, fear, brave, return. Thank you for listening to my English podcast. Bye. See you next time.